Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. So in today's video, I am going to make a love couple succulent pot using white cement. While working with white cement, I have faced a problem, and that problem is cracking. White cement prone to dry first, so that's why it cracks a lot than grey cement. If you want to know how to prevent the pot from cracking, then watch the video till the end. But before moving to that video, if you like my video and like this type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more upcoming DIY videos. So let's get started. To make this DIY project, you need bottle, two types of bottle I am using. One is big for the base and the second one is small. Some pebbles, white cement, scissor, black and red color permanent marker. At first, cut the bottles in half. Now fill this bottle with white cement and mix the white cement with water. Now take this small bottle, fill the bottle with some pebbles to make the bottle heavy. Now put second bottle inside the first one and press it. Now let it dry overnight. The cement is completely dried. See, the pot is also ready. I have made a hole over there. Now let's draw some couple doodle. I have drawn this doodle over here with the help of a pencil. Now I am using my permanent black marker. And this is the final result. Now let's talk about the problem, which is cracking. So if you want to prevent the cracking, you can do two things. One, you can submerge the pot inside the water for at least 7 days, or instead of that you can take a spray bottle and spray the pot after 3 to 4 hours. That way it will reduce the heat of the pot and it will prevent the pot from cracking. I hope these tips will help you when you will try to make the pot at home. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.